Alright, let's continue. Go, colors, go, go, go! This is like the easiest flag ever. So yeah, you better hurry. Cause it's very easy. How is I gonna make it for that? Oh. Okay. Yellow Green, what are you doing with your life? Girl! Okay, she made it. Let's drag the marbles. There. Surprisingly, Magenta made it. But hey, I can't do anything about that. Or I'll spectate you guys. Blue, don't mess it up! I swear, if any of you guys mess it up, I'll blame you, color. Not the humans who are watching this, but the colors. So yeah. I'm surprised how pink hasn't made it yet. Oh wait, she made it. How are they gonna do this course? And like, it looks easy, but it's hard, possibly. Yo. Why did I say yo? Alright, so it looks like that you two are eliminated, and like, it's pretty obvious. It's like that you two are eliminated? Who are these guys? Midnight is the first one eliminated. And the next one eliminated is Violet. Only 43 more marbles left. Oh, look at everyone go. Isn't this a happy reunion? Everyone is now together. Never mind. This is kind of a weird leg. Not really, no. Why is there a spinner? Look at that. Up and down, up, way down, and then up, and then down, and you'll be safe. So there's only going to be 41 marbles after this episode, possibly. Oh yeah, you know what happens whenever past logs have happened? You delete them. Well, except for eliminations. Just joking. Wow, Clover, I'm pretty surprised that you made it this far. Alright, I'll just drag you guys. Pretty sure that's Tracer Red and the other one's Transparent Red. Yeah, right there. So, yeah. Hey, don't fall back in. Everyone needs to be with the other colors. No blue. Blue. There. Everyone will be able to talk after this one's over. Magenta, don't you even dare be out. Or otherwise Sean won't like you anymore. I'm just joking about that. That wasn't even funny. Magenta, what are you doing? You're messing up because of that. Thank you. Or some new music. I'm surprised that Magenta hasn't made it. I'm really surprised. Magenta, make it, or otherwise I'll have to use this mouse to make you safe. Just joking, I don't wanna. I would be cheating. Oh, sorry, Magenta, I'm proud. That's really you. But, I'm pretty sure that you messed it up, Black. I'm just gonna say that you two are eliminated. Because I'm pretty sure Black was trying to mess it up. So, Black's eliminated. And Brown. Well, actually, I won't check it because I'm way too lazy. So, yeah. Or Magenta's trying to manipulate me. I'm thinking that it was someone else. Alright, who's ready to do this like soon? Because we're going to do it in the next episode. Bye, guys.